Okay, so now we're going to be doing the seated easy bar curl. So you're going to want to find a machine like this with the pad. You're going to sit down. Biggest thing here, guys, is you're going to want to keep your whole upper arm on this pad. You don't want it lifting up at all. You want to keep this tight. Okay, that's the first thing you want to do. You're going to grab your bar, and you want to go inside grip on the easy bar curl, okay? Okay, we're going to go down. Flex the tri. Up. Squeeze. Up. Squeeze. Okay, remember keeping your wrists slightly extended. You don't want to go flex. You want to keep them slightly extended. Keep that tension. Flex your triceps. Up. Slightly extended on the wrist. 1, 2, 3. Triceps. Up. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3. That's the seated easy bar curl.